Flip.
A new cable, eh? From there to here.
Oh, you got see they don't tell you about
You guys wanna, if you wanna take a look on the new cable that they're working on, we'll be ready in a few weeks. It comes from the entrance all the way down here, 700 meters long. 7 por 21, so son like by to more than 2,000 feet long. Please sit down, grab this with both hands.
Not this?
No, the one over here, right? Remember that if you don't get to the end, we need you to help us with this hand also, right?
Yeah,
because
yeah.
Cross your legs and bend your knees
Don't
up.
drop the camera though.
No.
Wanna hear that?